Hi all, welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. Happy Monday everyone. Yes, Monday again, but I can cheer you up with hopefully another Mallard Monday. So without further ado, let's get building. Right, I do apologise, there has been a bit of a problem with the recording, but what I've done, just catch you up. So we had these parts here. We've got this bit here and here. Bent up that one to 90 degrees, and this one I've bent up as well. So that one's 90 degrees. I've bent this piece here, which is this one here. And I've bent up this piece here like that. And they have all been placed on the locomotive. So I've placed this piece in here, this piece in here, and this piece in here. I don't quite know what happened to the recording, but it decided it wasn't going to work. And the very last thing we need to do with this, we have these little tabs here, and they all need bending over to 90 degrees. I'm just going to use my needle nose pliers for that. So that's looking just like that. First of all, apologies for the lack of recording there. However, fortunately, you haven't missed much. We've added 3 pieces of metal to this, so not a great deal. We've put more metal in the bag than we've added to the engine, to be fair. We've got a couple of spare parts there, and we've got the brushes for next time, hopefully. If you enjoyed this video, please do remember to give me a thumbs up. If you're enjoying the series, please leave a comment below. Let me know if you've done it before, still doing it, still got it tucked in a box somewhere. If you fancy doing it for yourself, I have got a link in the description to DJH Models. They, I believe, do a similar kit. I don't think it's the exact same kit, but I believe this was based off their kit. So if you fancy building your own Mallard, go along to DJH Models and see what they've got over there. They've got plenty of kits for other models of engine as well. If you want to see any more Mallard or anything else that goes on the workshop, please do remember to hit the subscribe button and ding that bell. And hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.